Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session where we are going to dive into the world of Sales Cloud. Whether you are new to the platform or just looking to sharpen your skills, this presentation will give you a solid foundation on how this powerful tool can transform the way businesses handle sales. To start off, let's break down some basic terminology. You have likely heard the term CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Think of it as a digital diary that keeps all your customer info in one place, ensuring your team has the full history before every call. Salesforce pioneered this by moving CRM to the cloud, making it accessible 24/7 from any device. Specifically, Sales Cloud is the module designed for sales teams. It is so popular that many people use the names Salesforce and Sales Cloud interchangeably, but now you know the actual difference. How do you know if your business actually needs Sales Cloud? Well, if your customer data is scattered across sticky notes and spreadsheets, or if you feel like you are losing track of important deals, those are major red flags. If running a simple report feels like a chore, or if you can't manage your business unless you are physically at your desk, then you are stuck in the status quo. Don't worry, though, Sales Cloud was built exactly for these situations, to integrate your entire sales process from the initial pipeline all the way to the final paycheck. So, what makes Sales Cloud so powerful? It comes packed with features like lead management to find potential customers and opportunity management to track active deals. You can also manage your accounts and contacts, forecast future revenue with high accuracy, and use real-time dashboards to see how your team is performing. Plus, it has built-in automation to handle repetitive tasks and automatically tracks your emails and activities so nothing falls through the cracks. Let's look at the actual sales journey within the platform. It begins with lead management, where you capture potential interest from your website or emails. These leads are automatically assigned to the right person. Once a lead is qualified, it undergoes a transformation. It converts into an account representing the company, a contact representing the person you are talking to, and an opportunity representing the deal. This gives your sales reps a 360-degree view of the customer from day one. Moving into step 3, we have opportunity management. This is where the magic happens. You can track the deal amount, the expected close date, and the specific stage of the sale, from prospecting all the way to negotiation. To ensure these deals actually close, Step 4 focuses on activity management. Reps can log calls, schedule meetings, and set follow-up tasks directly in the system, ensuring that every deal gets the attention it deserves. As we progress, Sales Cloud helps with the bigger picture through forecasting. Managers can use real-time data to predict future revenue and track how the team is performing against their quotas. All of this data is then fed into beautiful reports and dashboards. Whether you want to see your win-loss ratio or identify your top-performing reps, these visual summaries give you the insights needed to make smart business decisions on the fly. One of the biggest time savers in Sales Cloud is its automation. Instead of manual data entry, you can use workflow rules and flow automation to handle the heavy lifting. For example, the system can automatically assign leads based on a rep's region or send a notification when a major deal reaches the proposal stage. This doesn't just save time, it reduces human error and keeps the whole team moving faster. For those who want to go even further, Sales Cloud offers advanced capabilities. You can manage marketing campaigns to see your ROI, or use territory management to organize your sales teams by geography. There's even Einstein AI, an artificial intelligence tool that provides smart recommendations and opportunity scoring to help you focus on the deals that are most likely to close. To bring it all together, let's imagine a software company. A customer fills out a form on their website, which instantly becomes a lead in Sales Cloud. A rep qualifies them, converts the lead, and tracks the deal through various stages. The manager watches the progress on a dashboard, and once the deal is won, the revenue is recorded automatically. The relationship doesn't end there. The team continues to use Sales Cloud for upselling and maintaining that customer connection. It's a seamless, end-to-end process. That brings us to the end of our overview. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how Sales Cloud can streamline your sales operations and help your business grow. Thank you so much for your time and attention today.